Hi, today we're going to talk about how to get started with Blended Learning Studios. Hi everybody, my name is Marsha. Today I'm going to walk you through how to get started and not feel so overwhelmed when you're deploying learning studios. So you ready? Let's get started. So what I want you to do is I want to think about a lesson that you just recently taught, and I want you to think about the different components that you put together. You probably did a whole group overview. You probably had the students practicing on something, and then maybe you went in and added in some digital content so they could watch a video or something to go along with the lesson that you were doing. So that's what we're going to do. To get started without that overwhelming feeling, take a lesson you just recently taught and break it up into those points. Small group is where you're going to be teaching, reteaching, or enhancing the standards. Then the students will go and do some independent practice activity. Maybe they'll do some reading, vocabulary practice, maybe they'll even do some problem sets. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go in and have that digital content. Think of digital content as that second teacher in the classroom. If you're teaching something here, you can have it doing the same thing down here. And I tell my teachers all the time, if you're going to repeat yourself over and over and over again in your small group, go and make a quick little video. Let the students watch what you have to say about that standard here, and then you enhance and practice with the students inside that small group. Okay. So to get started without feeling overwhelmed, set it up small group, independent practice, digital content, and the students rotate with a timer to each one of these studios. Boom, there you go. You get learning studios. But then to kick it up a notch, because of course it's always better to be a little bit more spicy and to really hit all those different learning modalities, think about adding in a hands-on activity. I call this my future ready studio, and that's just where the students are creating, collaborating, communicating, or using critical thinking skills to tie into what they're learning at those standards. All right, so now the students are going to rotate to 4 studios in one day. Yes, that's right. Put on a timer for 10 minutes, and every 10 minutes the students rotate. There, we have learning studios. It's just taking a lesson that you are currently doing, breaking it apart into these different activities, and letting the students rotate with a timer. Now, this is just a starting zone. What we want you to do is we want you to grow, because a true definition of blended learning is allowing students to move at their own pace. But don't get overwhelmed with that yet. Just go ahead, set it up with the different studios, set your timer, watch the magic happen. And if you want to learn more, go to blendedlearningpd.com. We have a lot of resources to help you continue to grow with your learning studios.